Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the SOMADA store brand, their Auger drill bit set for wood and other materials. It's 3 pieces, 5/8, 3/4, and 1-inch size. They're 4-inch long shaft, and it comes with a nice storage case. This gets excellent customer ratings. People really love this. So you can see that it's got this little holder on here, which is really nice, so that you could keep these organized and in your shop and hold them in this nice little case so that they stay clean and ready to be used. These are great. If you ever used it before, you can see it has a screw on the end right there, and that's what starts it to go into the wood or the fiberboard or the plastic. And then you can see it's got this little sharp edge right there that starts cutting in, and then the pattern on here with the sharp edge just digs right into the wood, the fiberboard, or the plastic or carbon fiber, whatever you're doing. Works really, really well. It has a 1/4-inch shank on there that you can use in a quick change bit or in a drill. Really, really nice. We're going to do some testing of this on some wood and show you how great they work. So here's just an example. I've got a chunk of wood right here. I'm going to drill a hole in it using that bit. And I've got a table bench drill because you need a lot of torque because these are big diameter bits, and make sure that your wood is held in place with a vise before you start to drill. So let's give this a try. So you see how the bit pulls itself down and then it starts cutting. It's kind of a rough cut. It's not the smoothest cut, but those edges right there grip in and pull it into the wood and allow you to drill out a really large diameter hole. Here's another example. I have a thick piece of PVC pipe right here. I'm going to try the drill on it, see how it does on PVC. That worked really well. It actually went right through the PVC quite easily, and I could have kept going to make the hole deeper. But it just shows that this will work with plastic, not just wood. And fiberboard also. So after testing, what do I think about the SOMADA store brand, their Auger drill bit set? 3 pieces, 5/8, 3/4, and 1-inch, 4-inch long. Really, really nice product. As I demonstrated, these things cut. They look really high-tech because they are. They're very sharp, and they just cut right through wood easily, or fiberboard, or plastic, whatever you're doing. They work great. And again, this holder keeps them in place and organized in your shop so you can't go wrong. I'm impressed with the quality of this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.